Hello students, let us try to understand the chemical reaction of amines. Okay, we are going to understand the method of preparation, chemical properties, physical properties, and all the reaction we will be trying to explain in this video lecture. So let us have the first reaction, student. What is the first reaction? That is, we are going for the study of preparation. Okay, so that is, we are going Hofmann exchange of alkylation. Suppose student, to prepare this one Ri we are having, okay, and we are treating with the HNO2, nitrous acid. So it will give what, student? It will give RNH2, okay, RNH2, and together it will give Hi, okay, together it will give Hi. So this is what this reaction is known as, student, that is Hofmann, okay, this is Hofmann exhaustive, okay, this is known as Hofmann exhaustive alkylation, okay, alkylation. So this is the first reaction. Next one method is there, student, that is what is known as Gabriel pathylamide synthesis. So dear students, let us try to understand what is the Gabriel pathylamide synthesis. So here is, that is, student, that is C double bond O, here is C double bond O, this is the NH, okay. So if you talk about, that is, we are treating with the KOH, dear students. So what it will going to give, it will form the salt, students, okay. Here is C double bond O, here is C double bond O, and here it will give, that is, firstly it will give NK. If you are treating with the, okay, student, RX, if you are treating with the RX, so it will minus, it will be the KX. So what the compound it is going to give, dear students? So it will give, that is CO, here it will give CO, here will be, that is NR, okay, this will give NR. If you are treating with the water molecule, student, HOH, take two water molecule, student. So firstly it will give the RNH2, okay, student, it will give RNH2, and what the other compound it is going to give, student? RNH2, and together it will give, that is pathylamide, okay, that is pathalic acid, COOH, okay, and here will be also COOH. So 1 degree amine we are getting, dear students, right? Now if you talk about the next reaction number third, so that is what is, that is, we are having, that is Hofmann bromamide reaction, okay. So we are going for the Hofmann reaction. So if you talk about Hofmann reaction, dear students, so this is the what, RCONH2, this is RCONH2, okay, and if you are treating with the Br2 plus KOH, Br2 plus KOH, so it will give, student, RNH2, directly it is going to give RNH2, okay. So this is Hofmann bromamide degradation. Next method is there, reduction of nitrogenous compound, reduction of nitrogenous compound. This is simply reduction of nitrogenous compounds. So first method, you see, student, first one is there RCH, okay, and here is what is, that is double bond NOH. So this is something known as oximes. You are going to treat with, that is sodium in alcohol, C2H5OH. So what it is going to get, student? RCH2NH2, okay, that is, this is the 1 degree amine, students, right? Now let us see the another nitrogenous compound. What is their B number, student? If you are having, that is CONH2, right, student? So this compound you are going to treat with the lithium aluminum hydride. So it is also going to give, that is RCH2NH2, okay. So this is again, that is 1 degree amines. Now the C number C, again nitrogenous compound is there, RNC is there, students, okay, RNC, and that too you are going to treat with what, student? That is you are going to treat with the Ni. Either you take, student, that is NiH2, okay, hydrogenation, or you can take that is lithium aluminum hydride, or that is you can say SnHCl or ZnHCl, anything you can take, student. So you will be able to get that is RNH2. If you talk about D number, student, that is you take the nitro compound, student, any nitro compound. So suppose we are having C6H5NO2, okay, and that you are going to reduce, student. Electrolytic reduction we are following, electrolytic reduction, okay. So if you are talking about electrolytic reduction, so it will give C6H5NH2, dear students, okay. So this is from the nitrogenous compound, student. Another method you are going to study, student, that is fourth, this was the fourth method. Now we are going for the fifth method. So fifth method, from acid chloride, okay, we are going to understand from acid chloride we can prepare, that is amines from the acid chloride also. So let us see, student, what is there. RCOCl is there, and you are treating with the student, NaN3, sodium azide, and that is sodium hydroxide. So it will give what, student? It will give that is RNH2. That is what is known as, student, Curtius reaction, okay. This is known as Curtius reaction. This is the first point. Now 6 number, from carboxylic acid we are going to ask from carboxylic acid. This is what we are going to ask from carboxylic acid. So if you talk about the carboxylic acid, so we are having that is what, student? RCOOH, okay, and this if you are talking about that is NH3, and you are taking that is H2SO4 also. So it will give that is RNH2, student. It is going to give RNH2. This is known as that is Schmidt reaction, student. This is known as Schmidt reaction, okay. So here how can you be able to balance, dear students? Now if you talk about these were the chemical properties of what, student? That is method of preparation of the, okay, aniline, students. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.